In this video, we will take a look at branch transactions. Under the Inventory module, here are the branch transactions. There are 5 functions here. The first one is indent. When you have multiple branches, you may want to transfer stocks between them based on the stock requirement. When a branch store needs more stock of specific products, then they will need to create an indent. It will be visible to all your other branches. If one of your branches is willing to send the requested stock to the branch that is in need of them, the stock can be sent using the issue function. So the branch that is willing to issue the stock will fulfill the stock request. And the stock request is created using the indent function. These are the first 2 functions. You can also transfer stock directly without using the indent nor the issue function. The branch that wants to directly send stock to another branch can do so using the stock transfer function. After a stock has been sent, either through the issue function or the stock transfer function, the receiving branch will need to create a goods received note. It will state that the stock has been received. That's goods received note. Let's say a branch received stocks through the issue function and then a GRN was created. But after a few days, they noticed defects in the stock such as damaged and missing items. In that case, they can issue a return. It allows the branch to return the stock to the branch that sent them. These are the branch transactions. For demonstration, let's work with 2 branches. One is Ariyar and the other one is Tiruvanmiyur. I'm currently logged into the Ariyar branch. First, let's create an indent in order to request stock. The branch is Ariyar. Here is the date and time. Let's choose a product that we need. 3 roses, 18 grams. Let's specify the quantity as 10. Then click on Add. Then select a delivery mode. After that, you will need to approve the indent. Once everything is filled out, click on Save and Close. The indent will be created. Now I'll switch over to another branch. This is the Tiruvanmiyur branch. And I am currently logged into this branch. Going to Inventory and Branch Transactions, let's take a look at the indent. Here we see that there is an indent created by the Ariyar branch. In response, let's send the stock. To do that, go to the Issue function and click on Add. This is the branch. We are sending stocks to the Ariyar branch. Now select the indent number IN2. The item in the indent is shown here. Now you will need to approve the issue. Then click on Save and Close. When you click on it, the current branch stock of this item will reduce since it is getting transferred to the Ariyar branch. We have created an issue. There is another way to send stocks without using an indent. You can do so by using the stock transfer function. It lets you send stocks directly. Let's add a new transfer to the Ariyar branch. Here you'll need to select the item you want to transfer. Now we are sending this item. Quantity 10. Now that the item is added, you can fill in remarks if you want to. Then, approve the stock transfer. Finally, click on Save and Close. The stock transfer has been completed. This stock has been transferred without using the indent nor the issue function. The Ariyar branch has received the stock. Now let's log back into the Ariyar branch. Now we are logged into the Ariyar branch. Now we need to create a goods received note since the goods were received via an issue as well as a stock transfer. Click on Add. From Trivandrum branch, let's create the GRN for the issue first. Select the issue number IS2. The received item along with the quantity gets loaded up. Let's approve this GRN and close it. Similarly, you can create a GRN for the direct stock transfer that we did from Tirvanmur to Adyar. Here we see that the GRN GR2 we just created is displayed here. After creating the GRN for the issue, say you have a problem with the stock that you received, in which case you will need to return the stock. You can do that using the issue return function. Let's create a new issue return. From branch Adyar, the branch that received the stock, to this branch which had sent the stock. We are returning the stock back. Then select the issue number. After selecting it, the item and the quantity loads up. You have the option to edit the quantity of the item you want to return. Here we are returning the entire stock. Now let's approve this. And then click on Save and Close. The return will be created and the stock of this item in your branch will reduce. So these are the 5 functions that come under branch transactions.